Okay, today I'll be putting in a new glass on the right window. This is the new one. Got it out of a junkyard. There's 2 screws right there, one there and one there. That's all it's holding it in. First, I'll show you how to remove the old glass. Take a brick and then you go psh, and then you just smash all the glass, and that's how you do it. Okay, first thing we gotta do is take off this panel here. There's a Phillips head screw there, one right there, and there's one right there. Okay, you're gonna want to pop this piece off here. I think it just pops right off. Okay, there was I had to take this cap out here. I used a scribe to pry it out. See the 2 tabs on there, and there's a little notch right there. That's where I pried it out from. So got another Phillips right there, screw to remove, and then this thing here should come right out. Okay, I got this loose, so this will come out like so. And now I'm hoping that this panel will come off. Yeah, always works better if you got 2 hands. Okay, now there's 2 connectors for the door lock and the window. So you gotta pop those off. Should be able to just push straight down on that tab. That came off. Then push down on, let's see, where's this tab? Tab for this one seems like it's on the side. Okay, the tab for this one was right here on the bottom, and that come right off. All right, one more right down here. You can see that. So we gotta take this off. It looks like there's a tab right there. So that's off. Now the door panel's off. Okay, I suppose the next step is to peel this stuff back. I'm gonna get me a pair of latex gloves because this stuff here is real sticky. I don't want to get it on me. Okay, you can see the old ones. I'm gonna have to take that screw out, and you can see that plastic is on the opposite side or the outside. So when you put it back in, make sure it just goes back in on the outside. I don't know if it goes in more than one way or not, but then same, there's the other one before it comes out. I'm gonna basically lower this so that I can get to it. This one here, I'm gonna lower it and try to get it to that hole there, and I should be able to get a screwdriver in on it. Okay, in order to move this window up and down, I'm gonna have to temporarily hook this up back here to the door panel. Okay, got it hooked up. See if I can do it from here. Oh, maybe I need the other one hooked up as well. Okay, I'm just going to do it from the opposite side here. See if that does it. One thing I didn't notice when I took the other one out is this looks like it slides. So I can slide it all the way forward. And I can get to that screw quite easily now. I won't have to go through this hole like I did when I took the old one out. And I can get straight to it. All just by sliding this. Okay, I had to use two hands. The clips are removed. There's the one in the back, and there's the one in the front. And the next thing I'm going to do is just try to start cleaning out all this glass. Okay, moment of truth. I'm going to take this glass and I'm going to rotate it this way, put it down, and then try to pop it in. Rest on there, but I would not trust them too much. Try to get a bolt in there as soon as possible. And once you get the glass in this far, you're not going to be able to do that sliding trick. So it looks like it's going to have to go through that hole that I showed you earlier. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect that speaker. Okay, raise it up a little bit. Should be able to get to it quite easily now. So this is seated now. I'll just find the little tabs here. There's one here, one here, one here, one here, and one back here. And everything should just pop back in. That's in. That's in. That's in. Bottom ones. Okay, screw here. Screw on the top. We'll pop this in. Open up the door handle. Should just go right in. Okay, put in the screw. Take the little cap, pop it back in. The little notch, when I remember taking it off, it was facing forward. So we'll go the same way with that. That's mounted flush now. Okay, and then this, you just got these two tabs right here. Pop in. This snaps in. Okay, I looked in here and then I found the screw I was missing. Is inside that glass. I had accidentally vacuumed it up. Fini. Got a little bit more glass to vacuum out. That looks much better.